Hey everyone, welcome to A Mind for You's 1 minute of motivation, encouragement, and insights. I'm Brian Jacobson, I'm a Power Mind trainer, and today I want to talk about learning from our mistakes, or let's call them lessons. Times where we perhaps wanted to act differently, right? Where we see ourselves acting out of character or know better, but acting in a way that we could not align ourselves with or we're not satisfied with. So first step is always to recognize that that's what you did or that's what I did. Accept that, that's okay. And then we use a method of visualization. So we visualize how to handle or how we want to handle that scenario. And we visualize it in a way that you feel the confidence or you feel that scenario in the way you want to handle it. You visualize it as if that was actually the way you handle that scenario, because the mind is very fluid and easy to the plasticity of the brain, the way what we visualize, what we think repeats itself in the brain. So if we visualize what we want more of, that's going to be integrated into the brain. That's the way you're going to act more and more of. So instead of pushing yourself down, putting ourselves down because we made a mistake, instead just realize, hey, that's not the way I want to do it. Visualize the way you want to do it and replace that memory, so to speak, in that manner. And you can do that on a daily basis or weekly basis, or just take one thing where you, hey, I wanted to act different here. Visualize how you want to act, accept that as your new way of doing it, and that's what you want to remember. You want to remember the ways you want to do more of. Okay, hope you like it. Give it a like up, or if you didn't, give it a dislike. See you in the next video.